Hello everyone, I'm back with another vacuum review. This is the new Shark. This is the Shark Detect Performance Lift Away. I think it's like the same as my old one, but just a little upgraded. And the Detect is supposed to have, like, it detects on the floor, sensors reacts for maximum cleaning performance, especially on the corners. So let's see how this little lady does. I have noticed button upgrade. It's a little different here, a little different. Otherwise, pretty much almost exactly the same. Colors are slightly different and some cool attachments. I don't think this was with my last one. And this one, these are the same, except this one has an extra cool piece that I didn't have before. Okay, so far I've had a few Sharks. Pretty much never let me down. Still the greatest fan of the Shark. It's on sale right now at Costco, and I needed another vacuum for our condo, so Shark it is. So let's test it out. Well, I have it on the Detect, and it definitely detected as soon as I hit the carpet. And when I changed back to the hard floor, it changed all by itself. That's pretty cool. One thing, I feel like the rotator roller bars slightly more noisy than my other vacuum, but I mean, vacuum's noisy, so. Okay, let's do a little test. Detect on. I'm still impressed. I'm still enjoying it. I think it's a nice lightweight machine, has really good suction, picks up powdery things, little round quinoa pieces, all of it, whether it's over hard floor, carpet, it's doing an excellent job. So still, yes for Shark.